Alright, so guys, next up we've got Holy 10 Taura Shinokunetsu. So let's get it.
Let's
Don't
get it.
waste your time, let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Jingo Taura Shinokunne, Taura Shinokunne, Uruwem Langan Dina Kuketa, Anazata Pandina Kutega, Taura Shinokunne, Taura Shinokunne.
Anzi, Urium Dangan Nuketa, Anazata Pandina Kutega, Taura Shinokunne.
I feel like this is talking about like mental health and those issues, depression. If you're facing something, don't be afraid to go to someone, to talk to someone, because you need to talk to someone, please. If you're going through something, just talk to someone.
Yeah, talk to
anyone, someone, please.
Caravanesa, tengo di pipa, panundisiva, magatitira, put respect, Tino do need respect, Tino do need. Io jingo taura, sino kunne, io jingo taura, sino kunne, io jingo taura, sino kunne, taura, sino kunne, taura nyau chipeta, vangu kana pano pacho pane mawan, taura nyau chinsezo, whether my kid, whether my flex, my fits, in Indo fence, whether my data, whether my ex, my kids, in Indo thing, the ultimate.
Whether my teacher, whether my ex, my kids,
need no thing. If you're going through something, talk to someone.
Talk to someone, yeah.
Talk to someone. Talk to someone. Talk to someone. You need to talk to someone. If there's something going on, please talk to someone. Yeah. Everyone needs that that helping hand in their life. You cannot go through everything with guys. Talk to someone. Please.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true.
My enemies are busy. What's if I energy are busy? Jana ni chikwere tichako, taura uri koko kumateresi zvako. Jodo tifambira nyaya, jodo tikabira gaya, hangambo batika shaya, sawira avaite stress, tiri pa best, chiko cha net, ukunzwa nzara. On a business plan re farming, ukuda bar, ukuda.
That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Say my boy Marisi, muno join za mari kana mchakutenga wawa. But kana mchakutanga business, modaiso.
Pai tricky.
Modaiso.
Nza mawani boy.
Sakana even kana business plan, re farm ukuda bawa, taura teams.
So that
kuvhasiti toziva kuvhasiti kunetsa kana uri kunzwa nzara chingotaura tosota plan toziva kuti kuvhasiti vamwe vachirwa ma001 100 kana 000 chingotaura kana une nzara. You always have, if you see your friends not supporting you in that kind of way, I feel like this album is talking about my fake friends more.
Yeah.
In this album,
risky life.
Fake friends in your risky life.
Yeah.
I like the message that's coming out of this song.
It's too deep.
Taura is no kunetsa.
Janet, ukunzwa nzara. On a business plan re farming, ukuda bar, ukuda chico, ukumandara, rendi ya queer, pani ya kutsara, ukuda kutinja program ya ukustata, ukuda titaure na mdara, uzafire
bro.
Pani arutsara.
Do you know that actually happened with the pani muna program without change, but wabereki out my.
Exactly. That's the problem with that.
And that's how some people get depressed, you know. Because right a program and that
that's the problem with my parents. They should understand what he.
But that person needs someone to talk to. Because if your parents are not listening, then you get depressed. It won't help. You need to go to a close friend, someone you trust, then you can talk to them.
Yeah.
It's
true. Because in your program, avantu yavari kudai azvibudiri
andisafire mukati
ukuda kutinja.
Honestly I'm ndikuinzwa inomabvenzi nokuyinzwa songi
Sura.
Dara, rendi yakwira, pane yakutsvara ukuda kuchinja program yakustarta ukuda titaure namudhara uzafire mukati chingotaura zvinokunetsa uri wemdanga ndine kugeta kana zvadhakwa ndine kudheka taura zvinokunetsa iwe chingotaura zvinokunetsa.
I feel like waita friends aolika nongwapinda achikujega
Achikupiwa motivation item.
aolika notongoitawo tidongoita wemdanga tanzwa nemafake friends
Onyepero chingobaya chete.
Chivo chingotaura zvinokunetsa kana vanetsa ingondibhipa vanondiziva vachidzidzira kuti respect inotoinida iwe chingotaura zvinokunetsa iwe chingotaura zvinokunetsa zvawira
sure this guy is the leader of the youth, the speaker of the truth.
Leader of the youth.
Speak of the truth. This guy is guys. This is a fire album. I won't lie. This is a fire album.
I don't know who's the top of me anymore.
This is a fire album. And the way he's putting hype songs over these deep songs. It's crazy, bro.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
I like it. I like it.
I think the whole album we're gonna see
reevaluate your life.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get to the next one, guys. Let's not waste your time. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down what you think of the song Risky Life. Let's go to the next one. Yes, sir.